Hi, Caleb Peevler here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of an in-stock and available 2022 Sea Ray 19 SPX OB for outboard. This one specifically is in quantum blue with the stone gray interior, powered by the upgraded Mercury 154 stroke. If you've run these boats before, sea trialed, or come to some of our Sea Ray on the water events, you know that with a 115 the boat will get up and go, but with a 150 we can cross over that 50-mile-an-hour mark for top speed. This one specifically comes with the upgraded mag wheels on a swing tongue trailer. Why is the swing tongue trailer important to a boat like this? Number one, it's included. Number two, it'll fit in a single car garage. So if you've got that HOA that's not so boat friendly, you can still bring the boat home, keep it at your house, launch at the local ramp, and keep the boat inside protected from all the elements. We're gonna jump inside and take a look at all the features, get a better look at the boat, but I do wanna remind you this is at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. It's in stock and ready for delivery right now. Thanks for coming aboard. So as we step up off the back of the boat, you see the optional gray Sea Deck. Sea Deck is an anti-fatigue matting that's gonna keep you from slipping or kids jumping on and off the back of the boat. It's also softer than that non-skid and white fiberglass. It also looks really, really nice. One thing that's neat about these Sea Ray 19 SPXs is when you go with the outboard option, this boat does also come available with an inboard stern drive option if you're using it mostly on freshwater lakes. When you go to the outboard option, we get that master suite or aft berth where that engine would have been in that large 4.3 Mercruiser, but now we could fit probably 3 large children, a Coast Guard kit, safety kit, wakeboards, and everything else included on top of that big rear sun lounge. We work our way forward. We've got that nice quilted Sea Ray quality 60-year-old company with a legacy inlaid stitching. It is a marine grade vinyl. It's okay to spill some red wine on it, or spill the cocktails and spill the drinks, or let the kids smash the Cheetos, because we've got plenty of room to just clean that up and rinse that off. Work our way forward. You've got all your analog dash. You've got windshield to protect you from the elements. But as we step all the way forward to the bow of the boat, we can see why the boat is even 19 feet long, is rated for 10 people. If you look at some of the competitors that make similar boats that are 19 to 21 feet long, one of the things you're going to notice is the Sea Ray's float capacity is much, much higher. A 19-foot Sea Ray in comparison to a competitive brand is going to seat 2 to 3 more people foot for foot. It's something to consider when you look at the length overall and seating capacity. That dollar for dollar, the Sea Ray is typically quite a bit better of a deal because you've got the opportunity to take more people, have a safer float capacity, and longer days on the water. But come out and see us at MarineMax Panama City Beach. If you like our content, check us out on Facebook and check us out on YouTube. We're uploading videos almost every day, and it's an opportunity to see all our walkthroughs, models from 19 feet all the way up to 40 foot from Sea Ray specifically. But a great opportunity to engage in our content and meet all our guys. Once again, my name's Caleb Peevler. This is MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can check us out at marinemax.com and come out and get this Sea Ray.